how I was able to bring in almost $1,000, as you can see here on my screen, 728 euros in profit with this affiliate marketing product. So let's go straight into it. As you can see over here, I'm going to reveal to you, if you stay until the end of this video, right, exact strategy that you can discover that enabled me to get these kind of results every single day. Now, as you can see to here, today is September 15, and over here you can see also the conversion rate, average order value, and sales that I made in one day. So as you can see, earning per click, it's almost $100. So over $100 earning per click. Now, conversion rate is 166%, and average order value of the product is 48 euros, which is just above around $60 US, right? And over here you can see, right, I got sales 15 and sale amount is 700 over here and 28 euros, right? So this is the report. Now, how I actually did it, how I got from this product to 15 sales and 728 euros. Now, before I go into the system that I personally followed and crafted, I'm going to show you where you can reach me out after watching this video, right? If you want to know exactly how you can do it yourself, you can find me here on my Instagram, right? So you can see over here, the link is going to be after you subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Under this video. So you can find me over here, right? After watching the video itself. So let's go straight into it. What is very important if you're a newbie with clickbank affiliate marketing, or for example MaxWeb affiliate marketing? Let's go straight into it. What is my strategy? As you can see over here, right, the first thing is that most gurus are not teaching you is this: you need to have a targeted traffic. What is targeted traffic? It means, for example, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or Google ads. In my case, Google ads. More about this later, but first of all, we have to understand who is our audience. What do they want, and then we offer that on a simple landing page. You need some kind of opt-in page. Many gurus on ClickBank are teaching you the outdated methods that does not work for you anymore, right? So what is my method? I got the opt-in page on WordPress or ClickFunnels, where people can buy a one-time offer on ClickBank, for example, right? They can buy a weight loss supplement or brain health product or diabetes offer. And then if they don't buy, or they buy, either of those cases, you see the secret, subscribe to my email list. So they're going to receive done for them automated email follow-up sequences. Because remember, not everyone buys on the first exposure when they see your Google or YouTube ad. They will not buy immediately, but they will buy maybe second day or second week, right? So it's very important if you want a long-term income to have this system in place, which is one-time offer on the front end and email list on the back end, right? Now, when you're buying ads, when you're paying for Google ads or YouTube ads, you're basically investing in data. So most people actually are afraid to spend money on ads because they think, okay, if I'm not getting at least 900 return, right, 9 times of my money back, then I'm failing, which is not true, right? You're not investing in immediate profit, but you're in this case for long-term income, not sustainable, stress-free income, right? So that you can get reliable, long-term, scalable campaigns with your media buying. Now, what is the buyer's journey? We have over here leads. Leads are what? Audiences, people who are watching your ads. So you have to understand what kind of awareness stage they're at. First of all, what kind of awareness stage? Again, most courses, most masterminds, most coaching programs are not sharing those kind of secrets with you. Why? Because they know that if you understand awareness stages, you will most likely do 50 or 70% better in sales term than other people who are not super affiliates, who don't know what affiliate marketing is and how it works, right? We have to understand, some people are in the product aware audience, niche aware audience, right? Unaware audiences, totally unaware audiences. So problem aware audiences. It depends what kind of stage you are at, and then you meet them where they're at. So you have what we call, we'll write it down somewhere, message to market match. Once you have message to market match, you see this happens and you get the sales, you get the money. So the next stage is consideration stage, and then it's conversion, and then loyalty stage with email list. So recurring passive income with your email marketing on the back end. Now, again, I'm going to state this again. Income without an email list is danger zone. Why? Because I don't have to worry if they shut me down YouTube, if I lose my YouTube channel, if I lose Google. Why? Because I can make money by sending one email every morning out to my list and get $500 to $2,000 a day. Sometimes even $3,000, $4,000 in a day. So it really depends on the offer you are promoting. But income, it's sustainable. You can wake up in the morning. It's stress-free thing. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. Just imagine. Close your eyes and imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you send one email, and that day you make $2,000 or even $500, $400 in that day, right? It's not a bad income for 1 hour or 30 minutes of your work every single day. Which, again, you don't have to write your own emails, templates and everything is done, but you have to put your own affiliate links there, right? So that you are going to get the money. Now, what you can do next. So if you're watching this video, right, you and I can actually get on an unstuck session. 15 minutes, maximum 20 minutes. So basically you can jump on a WhatsApp call, Skype, Zoom call, whatever you prefer. You can have a cup of coffee and have a conversation about you, where you're at and where you want to go with your affiliate marketing online project, right? So what you're actually trying to do and what keeps you stuck, actually, why you are stuck. Because if you are stuck, it's very expensive, not only emotionally expensive, but also financially expensive thing to be stuck now, right? Because you know someone else is making money, but you are not, and it's not your fault. Sometimes can be because you are procrastinating, you're not doing anything, or you are afraid to invest a little bit of money. So if you're watching this video and you're prepared to invest at least 1,000 to at least 5,000 US dollars in yourself, to have someone to guide you through step by step, help you, right, to have results, then what you can do is, after subscribing to my YouTube channel now and liking this video, you can drop my DM in Instagram, Facebook message, email me, or even WhatsApp me. So all the links are going to be in the description below. But again, if you're serious, if you have some kind of budget, so I know I can help you or not, at least minimum 1,000 US dollars to 5,000 US dollars, right, in between, so that you know that yeah, you can move forward. And ask yourself honestly, would it be worth it if I spend 5,000 US dollars or $3,000 and be able to get $10,000 to $20,000 per month in income over time, sustainable in the next 90 days, next 60 days, right? Consistent $10,000, $20,000 months. So ask yourself that. If you want to have these kind of results, then subscribe to my channel now and let me know after watching this video.